Hi there everybody. In today's video we're going to be having a look at your dashboard and how to maximize your business operations through the numbers you see on your dashboard. Let's go ahead and start with your queries module. Queries are requests or tickets sent directly from your customers so you can get as many requests from your customers as possible. So at the moment I can see my different types of queries I have received from my clients. Moving on to the quotes module. The quotes really help us to win business faster. Winning business faster ultimately gets us to do our jobs as quick as possible and get paid at the end of the day as quick as possible. So at the moment, I can see I have 70 quotes in draft. This means I haven't sent out the quotation to the customer as of yet. The quotation sitting in awaiting acceptance really reflects the quotes that I've already sent to the clients, but no action has taken place. At the moment, I have 0 declined quotes, which is really positive. I've got 372 accepted quotes, and of those 372, I have invoiced 3 of them. Moving on to our invoices module. Invoices module really helps us to get paid faster and increase our cash flow. So at the moment, I have 49 invoices in draft, meaning I haven't sent them out to the client as of yet. I have 253 in approved, which means I've sent out 253 invoices to clients, and of that, 33 of them have been paid. So I have to go clearly look at these approved invoices and see exactly why they haven't been paid as of yet. Going back to our dashboard, moving on to the job aging report. This allows us to track how good our business processes are and our lag points in which we need to focus. So at the moment, I can see I have a job booked that's 3 weeks old, and I've got 99 job books that are still over 4 weeks old. So these are clear red flags for me, and I need to concentrate on those. The goal of this report is to get as many work completed jobs in the over 4 weeks column. And finally, we've got our comments. Our comments are made either internally at the office to the technicians out on site, or the other way around, from technicians to the office. We are able to see all the internal comments as well as the external comments really focused towards the customers. That is the end of this video on our dashboard analysis. See you in the next one.